Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this Python interview questions video, the second question, what is mean by dynamically typed programming language? I think in the last video, we have seen statically typed programming language means what? In this video, we will see what is mean by dynamically typed programming language. Before using any variable or object in the program, if we are not required to declare the type of variable or object, the type of the variable or object in the program, then such type of programming languages are said to be dynamically, such type of programming languages are said to be dynamically typed programming languages. So in short form, DTPL. Okay, that means based on assigned value, automatically the type is declared, the type is evaluated based on. So based on the type of value which you have assigned, automatically the type is going to be evaluated. Example for these programming languages, almost all the programming languages which provides a support for scripting will comes under this category. So JavaScript is the example for these programming languages, and Python is also dynamically typed programming language. If you want, I will take one simple example and I will demonstrate how you can say Python is dynamically typed programming language or not. I am taking a Python program. Okay, so I will save this Python program as test.py. Next, and after that, I am declaring one variable x is equal to 10. If you print x and then if you take a type of x, what output we are expecting? 10. It is what type of data? Integer, right? So 10 and then we will get the type as integer. If you want, let us run the program. Py space test.py. You can see the type is a 10. The type is integer. Content is a 10. After few minutes, I want to reassign the values. X is equal to, I am giving 34.89809. Can I take like this? Yes, because type is not giving any guarantee here. You can store any type of value into that. Okay. So the value what we are going to get here is 34.809, and what type of data it is? Floating point value. If you want, you can see variable name is the same, but the values are changing. That's why type is also going to change. This nature is called as what? Dynamically typed programming language. Let me take, even I am going to take a string, like I am going to take a string called Java. If you print x, what output we will get? We will get Java. If you print the type, what type of data it is? Is it a string or not? Yes. Let us run the program and see what will happen. You can see we are getting Java and it is of type class string. Like that we will get. This is the way how you can say my Python is dynamically typed programming language or not. So you got clarity how you can say a programming language is said to be statically typed, and how we can say a programming language is dynamically typed programming language. Okay. Thank you, friends.